Twitch affiliate is a fancy way of saying your account is now monetized. To become a Twitch affiliate and get that shiny sub button, you have to meet their path to affiliate requirements. Those are 3 average viewers over 8 hours streamed across 7 unique streaming days, all within a 30-day period. These are often the most important ones and the longest to reach due to having to stream on 7 separate days. So the fastest you can reach affiliate is a week. Don't forget your account needs to reach 50 followers too, but you're a cool streamer, so I doubt you'll have to wait that long. Once this is done, you'll get a prompt to sign up to Twitch affiliate, so go ahead and fill out the forms and put in your desired payout information. Sometimes these forms can become under review, so if this happens, don't panic. Some folks have had to wait over a week for this process to finish, but others are lucky and get it all done within 15 minutes. So fingers crossed you're one of the lucky ones. I'll put a list of the usual required information in the description of this video, but it's all sensitive stuff, so if you're getting help from someone, make sure you trust them with it. If you'd now like to learn how much Twitch will pay you, click here, or for more tips and tricks, click here. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.